did it! A, B, and C are open. Now let's go higher.
Aha!
Wait, box D is moving. What could be inside?
Wow!
Oh my! D is for dinosaurs. He is so huge and scary.
Hello there, my friends! I'm so happy to see you.
Don't be afraid. He is a friendly dinosaur.
I'll try to stroke it. Ribbon!
He is a big giant, but he is actually very kind.
Awesome!
D is for dinosaurs. We love our new friend.
My turn. Let's see what E has for us.
E is for elephant. Look at his beautiful cape.
I can spray water high into the air.
Whoa! Is he going to give us a bath?
Look, he's balancing the ball with water. Magic!
Amazing! It's like a real circus show.
E, elephant. Spray, spray, spray.
It's getting warm here. F. What is F?
Wow, fire turned into fireworks. F is for fun too.
Quack. F is for fire. And fireworks. So beautiful.
D is for dinosaurs, big and strong, stomping his feet all day long. Dinosaur, roar, roar, roar. E is for elephant, look at him play, spraying water the happy way. Elephant, spray, spray, spray. F is for firework, bright and high, lighting up the dark night sky. Fireworks, pop, pop, pop. T is for dinosaur, stomping around. E is for elephant, ears so round. F is for firework, colors in the air. D, E, F, we see them everywhere. Join the fun and sing along.
Don't go away. Let's find out what's in G, H, and I in the next part. See you soon.